0. H means what? The difference in the frequencies. That will always be constant in the interval basically. So 6 difference in the interval. 6 minus 0 6, 12 minus 6 6, 18 minus 12 6. So it will always be common. So H is common. And what is F2? F2 is next, means 18 to 24, then next interval is 24 to 30. So frequency of that is F2. Okay. So you got all the numbers, just input the values. Therefore mode equals to 18 plus in bracket 35 minus 25 upon 2 into 35 minus 18 minus 25 into 6. Solve this and you will get 20.22. That is the required mode. Okay. Next, the mean of 6 numbers is 21. If one number is excluded, then their mean is 19. The excluded number is here 6 numbers, mean is 21. So total will be what? 21 into 6, right? That is 126. Now 5 numbers, 1 is excluded, so remaining 5. So mean is 19. So what will be their total? 19 into 5, that is 95. So which one is excluded? The difference will be excluded, that is 31. So 31 is excluded. Next, the mean of 1, 3, 4, 5, 7, 4 is M. The numbers 3, 2, 2, 4, 3, 3, P have mean M minus 1 and median Q. Then P plus Q is, here problem is very simple. First find M. It is given mean. How to find mean? Mean is add all the numbers divided by total numbers. 3 plus 3 6. Okay. So 1 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 7 plus 4 upon 6. Add this, you will get M equals to 4. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What to get in these videos? IMO, IO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Bhabha plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.